time to make lunch. And today I'm doing tuna. This is pole and line caught wild tuna, dripping a little juice here and there, which is okay. We'll clean that up a little bit later. Start off with some very thin sliced onions, and I'll dice those up. And drop them in a dish. Sometimes I put celery in it, but I'm currently out of celery. We just got back from spending 3 days at the beach celebrating our anniversary and haven't gone shopping yet. So I'm gonna drop in the tuna. Had some nice stormy weather at the beach with some pretty big waves. It was pretty impressive. Winds were gusting to about 60 miles an hour. So anyhow, back to the tuna. I'll mix this up with the onion. Now I'll grab some, which one's this? This is the sweet relish. Put about a fork and a half full in. Mix this up. As I said, usually I put some finely chopped celery in it. My daughter puts apple in it, diced up, and that's quite good as well. Okay. I'm going to put some mayonnaise in. And stir it up. Trying to get the mayonnaise evenly distributed. You can add more if you like, but that looks about right for what I want. We got an escapee in the back here. That looks good. Okay, so that's how I make tuna fish, and it sure tastes pretty good. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.